Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Miata drift ready. Start by inspecting brakes, tires, and suspension for a safe baseline. Remove any rust and fix leaks before upgrading steering or drivetrain components. Prioritize gloves, helmet, and a battery cutoff when preparing for track days. Plan budget for differential, coilovers, and upgraded brakes, then schedule time for alignment and test runs to dial in balance and practice. Upgrade the limited slip differential to control power delivery and maintain consistent slides. Use a lightweight flywheel and performance clutch to improve throttle response and rev recovery when countersteering. Match gearing to engine power and track layout to stay in the power band more easily. Inspect drive shafts and axles for wear, and reinforce motor mounts to reduce movement under load during long drift runs. Also practice smooth inputs and reinforce the chassis with strut braces, and consider seam welding if this car is for dedicated drifting only. Select tires that offer predictable breakaway, and fit wider rear shoes to balance grip and slide control. Fine-tune camber, toe, and caster to encourage controllable oversteer, and set coilovers for balanced compression and rebound, so transitions feel smooth during long runs and repeated lap sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.